40 English grammar topics. Parts of speech, kinds of sentence, tense, add caution tag, change the voice, change the degree, use as soon as, no sooner than, hardly when, not only but also, both and, as well as, if, not, unless, so that, to, neither nor, either or, though, although, used to, frame WH type question, verbal question or SNO type question, make it exclamatory sentence, make it assertive sentence, make it negative sentence, make it affirmative, direct and indirect speech, clause and its types, use able to, unable to, use can, could, can't, couldn't, use going to, after ing, on ing, by ing construction, use when, while, gerund, infinitive, present participle and past participle, use articles, use punctuations, modal auxiliaries, scarce